Di tengah gerakan elektrifikasi mobil di penjuru dunia, konsumen Amerika Serikat belum sepenuhnya diyakinkan untuk beralih dari mobil berbahan bakar fosil ke mobil listrik alias EV, menurut sebuah survei baru.
Many Americans still aren't sold on whether to go electric for their new cars. They're concerned about the price and they're concerned about charging, so when they go on a longer trip, they want to make sure that there are enough charging stations available. About half of Americans, according to the poll, say they are worried about the range of their electric vehicles. And about 4 in 10 say that it may take too long to charge their car or that they don't know of a public charging station nearby.
Survei ini digelar oleh kantor berita Associated Press bersama pusat riset NORC Center for Public Affairs Research bersama Energy Policy Institute di University of Chicago.
According to a new AP NORC poll, about 4 in 10 people say they are at least somewhat likely to buy an EV, while 46% say they are not. The same survey shows that only about 9% of Americans own or lease an electric vehicle.
Survei tahun ini tak banyak berubah dari jajak pendapat tahun sebelumnya setelah pemerintahan Joe Biden menggalakkan energi bersih dan dengan ditandatanganinya Inflation Reduction Act atau Undang-Undang Pengurangan Inflasi pada 2022 yang memberi berbagai insentif pajak bagi pembeli EV. Menurut Cox Automotive, baru pada 2023, total penjualan mobil listrik di Amerika Serikat menembus 1 juta unit. Ini merupakan angka penjualan tertinggi, meski masih mencakup hanya 7,6% dari total penjualan mobil baru di Amerika. Sebagai perbandingan, penjualan EV di Eropa telah menembus double digit.
The cost concerns are decreasing with every single year because it used to be where it was 10,000-15,000 more for an EV compared to an internal combustion or hybrid, where that's probably more in the realm of 2,500 to 5,000 now and just getting lower still with all of the credits.
Di Cincinnati, negara bagian Ohio, Caleb akhirnya melirik mobil hybrid, bukan sepenuhnya EV. Karena ia khawatir saat menggigilnya suhu udara musim dingin nanti, baterai mobil bisa mendingin sehingga bakal lebih terbatas lagi jangkauannya.
So really it'd be more at that point of figuring out the charging situation at home, getting charging installed here, but then also looking towards getting green energy from home in like the form of a solar panel, because it seems counterproductive to charge an electric vehicle with coal-powered energy.
Pengendara mobil di AS umumnya menilai mobil listrik memadai untuk berbagai kegiatan rutin di dalam kota, seperti belanja ke supermarket atau mengantar anak ke sekolah. Tapi untuk perjalanan luar kota, seperti yang sering dilakukan saat libur panjang, mereka kembali khawatir dengan pengecasan baterai dan jangkauan mobil. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.